Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how easy it is to make some delicious pumpkin cinnamon rolls. So if you're ready, let's get started. Alrighty guys, so we're going to begin by making our dough. I'm going to be using my stand mixer, but of course you can always do this step by using your hands. So to my stand mixer, we're going to be adding 4 cups of sifted all-purpose flour, half a cup of sugar, 2.5 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice, a pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of instant yeast. We're going to begin to mix it together. To that we're going to add half a cup of 100% pure pumpkin, 2 eggs at room temperature, 6 tablespoons of melted butter, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice extract, and lastly we're going to be adding warm milk. Okay, so once we have mixed all of our ingredients together, we're going to turn up the speed on medium and allow it to continue mixing for 10 minutes. Okay, and after 10 minutes our dough should be ready. It's going to feel a little sticky, but it should be very nice and elasticy. Okay, so we're going to remove it from the bowl and transfer it to a grease bowl. I just like to shape it into a big ball before transferring it. Okay, so I already got my bowl ready. I'm going to grease the top so it don't dry out. Going to cover it with plastic wrap along with the kitchen towel. And now we're going to place it in a warm spot and allow it to double in size. And once our dough doubles in size, this is what it should look like. So we're just going to remove the plastic wrap. We're going to punch it just to relieve all of the air. Okay, so we're just going to transfer it to our clean countertop. So now we can get ready to shape our cinnamon rolls. And just like to use my hands, kind of stretch out the dough. Okay, so once we have our dough rolled out about 1/4 inch thick, now we're going to be rubbing 1 stick of butter at room temperature. So just spread it nice and even. Okay, so once we spread our butter on our dough, we're going to sprinkle it with a mixture of 1.5 cups of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, and 2 tablespoons of pumpkin pie spice. Just mix it. Okay, now just sprinkle it nice and even as well. Okay, so now we're just going to press down our sugar mixture so we can make sure that it's nice and even. Okay, and once it's ready, we can now get ready for the fun part, rolling it. So we're just going to go long ways and begin by rolling it. To get the ends and blend it with the dough. Okay, and I always like to cut the ends so like that my rolls can be nice and even. Now I'm just going to go in the middle so like that I make sure that all of my rolls are nice and even. And I'm going to divide them into 8 pieces. Of course, if you want more, then cut them smaller. Like that. Now we're just going to transfer them to our grease baking dish. Now we're just going to cover them with plastic wrap along with our kitchen towel and allow them to double in size one last time. Once our cinnamon rolls have doubled in size, now we're ready to put them in our oven. Make sure that you have it preheating at 350 degrees. Just remove the plastic wrap. And we're going to bake between 20 to 25 minutes. While our cinnamon rolls are baking, we can get ready to make our glaze. So in our bowl, we're going to be mixing 4 ounces of cream cheese at room temperature, 4 tablespoons of butter at room temperature, and we're just going to be mixing them together. And to that, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of maple extract. Of course, you can use maple syrup. just along with a little bit of pumpkin pie spice. extract. And just mix it together. So that we're going to add half a cup of powdered sugar. And just mix it all together. Okay, and once everything is well mixed, here you can taste it and see if you want to adjust it. But for me, it's perfect. So now we're just going to set it to the side until our cinnamon rolls are nice and ready. And after 20 minutes, our cinnamon rolls are ready. And let me tell you that it smells delicious. Okay, so I'm just going to wait about 10 minutes before I add the glaze. Okay, and after 10 minutes, we can get ready to spread our icing. Okay, and once we have them ready, we can now get ready for the best part. Okay, so now we can grab our cinnamon roll and get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys, the fall is just around the corner and this is just the perfect way to welcome it. Making cinnamon rolls is seriously super easy. The hardest part is just waiting, which is, you know, a little time consuming, but after that, you'll have the perfect and most delicious cinnamon rolls. So I am so ready. Let me tell you, these are just perfect. They're not too sweet. They're just the perfect balance. Of course, if you want them more sweeter, you can add more sugar, but for me, these are just perfect every single bite. So hope you give them a try and enjoy them just as much. Cheers and enjoy. And I like my cinnamon rolls when they're warm, so ready. Look at that. So soft. The pumpkin. You know, let me tell you, if you're not a fan of pumpkin, I promise you, give this recipe a try and you're just going to love it. It's so good. It's not so overpowering, like it's not taking over the whole cinnamon roll. You know, you taste everything. It's just perfect. So ready. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make some delicious pumpkin cinnamon rolls. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.